Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Mr. Cobalt, and in this video, we are going to go over group names and the periodic table, group names and numbers of the periodic table with regard to elements. Okay, so before we get into our example problems, let me just review the different groups on the periodic table and their names. So here I have the periodic table. So this is group one. So remember, the groups are numbered in a couple different ways. Either according to the IUPAC way of naming, which is 1 through 18, right? So 1 is here, 2 is here. I feel like a weatherman. So this is group 1, group 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on, all the way to group 18. That's one way to name them. These down here, these are the inner transition elements. They don't have a group number. The other way of naming them is A and B groups. So these two groups would be groups 1A and 2A. These here, all of the transition elements in the middle here are the B group. So we're going to skip over those. And then this would be 3A, 4A, 5A, 6A, 7A, and 8A, right? So these two groups and these six groups are the A groups, are also known as the main group elements or representative elements, okay? And then again, as I said, these are the B groups. These are the transition elements. So the transition elements are the B groups. The main group elements are the A groups. And of course, the inner transition elements don't have a group number. Okay, these are going to be inserted into here. So they do have a period. So they're going to be in periods 6 and 7, but they don't have a numbered group. Okay, so what about the names of special groups? So different groups of elements, some of them have special names. So here, group 1A, here, these are known as the alkali metals. So you can see that they're colored A. Hydrogen is not an alkali metal. This is in group 1 because its electron structure, its electron configuration fits with this group here, but this is not a metal. This is a non-metal, so it's green like the gases over here. So ignore hydrogen, but the rest of them are going to be the alkali metals. So alkali metals are the group 1A or group 1. The next group here, this orange group 2A, they have the name the alkaline earth metals. So you'll see here alkaline earth metals. So group 2A has the special name alkaline earth metals. Don't confuse that with alkali metals. These are alkali metals. These are the alkaline earth metals. So these can get confused with each other because the names are similar. So try not to confuse those. Okay, next we have group 7 here, 7A or 17 according to the IUPAC. So 7A, this has the special name of being called the halogens. So you'll see here, where's the halogens? It's not written here, but the halogens, group 7A is called the halogens. And then this group here, group 8A, that has the special name of being called the noble gases. So you can see here the blue color, these are the noble gases. Okay, so noble gases, halogens, and then we have the alkali metals, alkaline earth metals. So those are the four groups that you should know the names of. So let's go ahead and go to our examples. So for each of these, we're asked to write the name of the group number and the name and the group number for each of the following elements. So helium, let's find helium. Helium is right here. Helium, He. So the symbol for helium is He. And so it's in this group here, the 8A group or group 18, according to the IUPAC naming. And so that's going to be group 8A. So let's put group either 18 or 8A for the group. And this is noble gas. That's a noble gas. Okay, because remember, this is the noble gas group. Okay, what about next? We have Cl. We'll find Cl on the periodic table. Cl is right here, number 17. It's in this group here. So this is in group 16. I'm sorry, group 17 or group 7A. So 17 or 7A. So let's write down the group number. So either 17 according to the IUPAC way or 7A according to the old way. And so it's in group 7 here. This, remember, is called the halogens. So this is a halogen. Halogen. Okay. Magnesium is next. So magnesium, Mg, magnesium. So magnesium is in this group here. This is group 2 or group 2A. So group 2 or group 2A. And it's in this second group here, and we call that, again, the alkaline earth metals. So, excuse me, magnesium is an alkaline earth metal. Alkaline earth metal. Finally, we have sodium, Na. Na is here, sodium. So Na is in group 1 or group 1A. And we said that the group 1A is called the alkali metals. So alkali metals. So these are the alkali metals. So sodium is an alkali metal. So I'll write that down here. Alkali metal. And so that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you find the number and the name of the different elements, right? So you have to know how the table is organized. You have to know what the names of different groups are, different parts of the periodic table, right? So I didn't mention these, but again, we were focused, we were focused on group names, but some periods have names as well, like this group or this period here, or this part of the period, this row of your inner transition elements are called the lanthanoids, right? Or they're also called the lanthanide series, right? Because it begins with lanthanum, sorry. And then these are called the actinoids, or they're also called the actinide series because it begins with actinium. So those are important to know. And then you've got the transition elements and all the rest of it. So make sure you know the names of the different groups and the different parts of the periodic table. And so that way you can, if you're given an element and you're asked, well, what kind of element it is, you can identify, is it a transition element? Is it a representative element or main group element? Is it an inner transition element? Is it a noble gas? Is it non-metal, metal, metalloid? So all of that. So I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, if you liked this video, then please like the video, share the video with your friends and family and strangers on the street. Also, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell. When you do, make sure you click all so you'll be notified by all the videos I put out. And then put a comment down below in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Ask me questions. If you have a topic you want me to cover, If you have a problem or a question you need help with, put that down below. I would love to help you with that. Thanks for joining me and have a great day.